Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn about the Python module called Google. So now first of all create a new Python file and then open terminal. Make sure that you are connected to the internet. Now type pip install Google and press enter. Now it will install the module. After installing, close this. Now you will import our module. So from Google search, import search. Now we will create a variable called query equals to, and here I will give something name as Wikipedia. Now we will print our result using a for loop for I in search. Now first you have to place the query or the name of the topic you want to search for. Now this name represents the number of results you want, and then stop. This will tell Python that to stop at the result 5. So now we will print I. Now I'll run my code. Yeah. So guys, I hope that you have understood the topic, and thanks for watching.